Hello, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. My name, as you can see here, is Jaime Castelló. I'm the director of the Masters in International Management here at Advantere, as you can see. Welcome to all of you, wherever you are, again, and thank you very much for joining us for this Advantere Talk. Before we start with the most important part of the talk today, I wanted to give you a little bit of an introduction or a context of why we're doing this thing, and so that you can understand where this all fits in the program. Here at Advantere, one thing that we do is we try to teach everything we do in management, especially in the Master in International Management, through projects. This means that it's not the professor just telling you how things are done or how companies work. Is you actually working with a real company, with the guidance of professors, with the concepts and the tools and everything that the professors can give you to help you do that. But you are tackling challenges that the companies have on your own, individually, in your team, independently, and afterwards you're presenting them to the companies and you're getting feedback from them. One of the core elements of Advantere is to get you ready for when your next professional opportunity comes. And we think that having these kind of projects in a safe environment, such as the school, but also with real challenges and real challenging stuff, as the companies give us, it's the best way to actually do that. We do many projects during the course. There's projects that we do with big companies. There's projects that we do with small companies. There's long projects that may take like 6 weeks. There's small projects that will only take 2 to 3 weeks. There's more focused projects who are related to one specific course, like for instance, my marketing course. There's this project that need a set of courses to actually join in. And as you go along in the masters, you develop an ability to actually tackle that. You get organized. You work with agile methodology so that the work is organized and the work is processed in a way that you can answer the challenges in due time. You also get experience to working with your colleagues. Sometimes it's not easy, you have to face challenging deadlines, but that those are things that are learned. The culmination of project works comes at the end of the program, where we ask the students to actually work on their own. And what we ask them is to, now it's your time. So it's the stage is yours, as we say. So for the capstone projects, which have come at the end of the program, we ask them, okay, do your own groups. Form them yourselves. It's not us, the professors, combining you so that you get experience from all the class and you learn, okay, how the other students work. So choose your own group and choose your own subject. For us, it's very important that you are actually put into the position of having to create something from the beginning. When we do other projects, usually the companies are the ones who are actually giving us the projects. Here in the capstone projects, you, the students, you are the ones who create the project, who organize it. You have a tutor, and you have all the faculty at Advantere and some experts also if you need to helping you with that, but it's your real project. We're in the month of April, almost May, and this is a time where I call it crunch time for the capstone projects, because now the students have to actually work on them. And it's with a lot of pleasure and with a lot of excitement that I'm going to introduce you to Simon Arnold and Lucas Jeck, two of our Masters in International Management students. And they're going to show us their project. I know a little bit of it, and I'm very excited because I think it's also a project that represents a lot of what we do here at Advantere. It's a project that merges two important things for Advantere. One is technology. We want you, our students here at Advantere, we want you to be prepared to tackle challenges with technology and with all the amazing opportunities that technology gives us. And also, it's a project that has a sustainability approach, which allows you to have a positive impact in the world, which is also that's also very important for you guys. Professors, we talk too much. You know these guys already, so I'm gonna shut up, and I'm going to let Simon and Lucas and Simon present their project. Guys, whenever you want. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jaime, for the introduction. As already mentioned, my name is Simon. I'm from Germany, and since last year, I've been living in Spain for my Master International Management at Advantere. And so I chose Advantere because of its strong focus on sustainability, which is also quite important for me because my parents have a winery, and therefore we see the impact on climate change every year. And my personal goal is it to be a part of the solution and to make an impact on the reduction of climate change.
Hi, my name is Lukas. I'm from Munich in Germany, and I'm also doing the Master in International Management. Today, I'm very happy that we can talk about our project and the topics of innovation and sustainability, because next to sustainability, innovation is also a very important topic here at Advantere, where we have learned about the potential and the possible impact of innovations on our future lives. And I really think that we can give a very good example today with our project.
So thank you, Lukas. To introduce the problem to you, we want, at first, I would like you to think about which kind of products could be from the household, for example, you have thrown away only because a small piece of the product was broken. And normally it could have easily be repaired, but you didn't find any spare parts. And those kind of problems, they generate a lot of waste, which is a big problem within EU countries, and which can be seen also that roughly a two-person household produces around 1 ton of waste per year. And also because of plant wear and tear, the same household loses around about 2,640 euros per year, which is 7% of the total spending of goods. So this is a huge number, and we, with our project, we want to enable people to be able to quick and easily repair common goods instead of having to throwing them away, and which not only helps the environment, but also has a very real impact on the money that people have available. And that this project has a very current situation also. It can be seen that only yesterday, the right to repair law in the EU was introduced, which shows how current the topic is and how important waste reduction is also to achieve our climate goals. And now I would hand over to you, Lukas, to tell us more about the 3D printing technology.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. So to introduce you to the technology, we would like to start with a short video.
Printing. 3D printing refers to a variety of processes in which two-dimensional layers of material are deposited and joined, one upon the next, to form three-dimensional objects. This process is also known as additive manufacturing, and is a fundamentally different way of producing parts compared to traditional, subtractive, or formative manufacturing technologies.
So as you can see, the 3D printing technology brings many new aspects into the world of manufacturing, and also many advantages which we would like to leverage with our project. So the technology offers an innovative solution for generating spare parts with its versatility and precision to meet specific needs. It also allows the production of more complex designs and complex geometries, which would be more challenging with traditional methods of manufacturing. This technology is already used in industries such as the aerospace, the automotive, and the healthcare industry, where it has proven its capability to produce high quality and also custom-made goods. One key advantage, which is very important for us, is the ability to produce on demand. This could be especially beneficial for older goods where spare parts may no longer be available. Looking ahead, the growth of this technology in the spare parts industry is very, very promising, with the technology continuing to advance and becoming more affordable. But not only in the future, but also today, we can already see an adaptation of this technology in various sectors. So yeah, it's already here, so to say. And now I hand over back to you, Simon.
Perfect, thanks. So now, how can we leverage the power of 3D printing to reduce waste? And this we are trying to resolve this issue of waste generation. We are trying to establish a community that connects 3D printing developers together with end consumers. And the 3D printing developers, they are in charge of creating the models and that can be used for repairing. And those kind of models are then uploaded to a structured online marketplace, including all the relevant information for end consumers. So to guide them on how to download and print those kind of models, and as well as how they can repair certain goods with these models, as well as possible repair subsidies, for example. And we aim to serve as a single point of contact for them, for customers, and providing a wide selection of spare parts with all the relevant repairment information. And the value for the customers would be for us to offer them a huge amount of available spare parts, which are also a very affordable solution for them. For the 3D model developers, they could monetize their hobby with our solution, and at the same time make a positive impact on the society and the to reduce waste. And up here you can see our logo, what we've created, the 3D Revive, give your products another life.
Thank you, Simon. We also brought 3 learnings for you. So as some of you may know, we already made an online survey. And the first learning comes directly out of our survey, where fortunately the results regarding the interest in repairing goods was very positive, with more than 70% of people through all demographics like age, gender, or living situation, having or at least having considered repairing their goods. The second learning is more general. It is how innovations can be used to solve current problems of the world. As we all know, we're living in a world of change every year. And I believe that our project is a very good example for how innovations can have a positive impact on our future lives and, in our case, on the environment. And in our third learning, we have the 2 main drivers for repairing goods. And the first driver is that people prefer repairing goods over repurchasing them because of cost advantages. And the second driver is the ability to prolong the lifespan of the beloved goods. With that, over to you, Simon, for the final words.
So, thanks, Lucas. So our next steps in the project would be to explore the full potential of 3D printing with all of its various technologies, because 3D printing is a very broad field, and we want to understand each and one of the printing technologies in order to best fit the specific needs of each and one of the spare parts that we want to create. Also, we are creating our website with a marketplace, and we are trying to understand repair behavior better. So Lucas has already mentioned our survey. If you haven't done it already, we will put it in the comments, and we would really appreciate 2 minutes of your time in order for us to help. This would really help us to understand repair behavior and understand how our customer journey can look like. And also, we are right now trying to create the community of 3D printing developers. So if you're interested in the technology, or you know anyone who is printing in 3D themselves, we would really appreciate you getting in contact with us. We would love to welcome you in our community. And with those words, thank you very much for your interest. And Lucas, maybe you might want to say something again.
Yeah, I only can say thank you as well for your time, and I hope that we could give some interesting insights on our project. And with that, I think next to you, Jaime.
Thank you very much, guys. I was rehearsing my Dankeschön. You know, my German is super rusty, and I can only say those things. I try to understand it, but it's thank you very much. Just to give you some more context for those of you listening to us. So Lucas and Simon started developing this project a few months ago. So it's a project that now is going to take them until end, I would say mid to end of July for them to present, and then we'll have the final presentation with a project that has to, and for us it's very real. So you can see already that the project's starting to take shape, and the shape it's taking, it looks very good and very promising. And it looks very promising because it has three things that are important for us at Advantere. First thing, and I know you realize, and I'm going to plug again your survey, guys. It's evidence based. I mean, it's a great idea that these two students had, but it also needs validation. So for us at Advantere, it's very important that we strive to have what we call evidence-based management, so that the ideas are tested, are, if I may say so, proven outside in the market, so that they can be refined to be as real as possible. The second thing is that it's a project that will actually be realizable. I mean, it's a project that can become a company, and it will be an idea that will be sustainable. And the third one, as I said before, it's a project that has impact. It's not just for these two gentlemen to eventually become like super rich and be the next Elon Musk, hopefully, but it also will provide the world with a better solution for its actual problems. So these are three things that are very important for us. I know it sounds kind of corny and kitsch already, but it's a win-win-win project. It's a project that's a win for the customers, for us, people who want to repair our appliances or whatever we need to repair. It's a win for those who have a hobby as 3D printing. I mean, I didn't know that thing existed, but kudos to them on funding that community and developing that community. And it's also a win for the planet in the sense that we will be repairing more things and we won't be throwing away those things. So for us, it's great to have this ingenuity and this innovation here at Advantere. Just to tell you, I mean, this is an idea that Simon and Lucas came up on their own, and we're very happy to help them do that. We also encourage you again to go to the survey. This is the third plug I do. I think that's going to be enough. So please go onto the survey, and I hope that this has also inspired you to understand how you, wherever you are, whoever you are, can also change things and improve the way in which the planet works. That's something that is very close to our hearts here at Advantere. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.